So internet, my friend. So with the help of internet also you can get more information. So in that some diseases are there, and that diseases and their symptoms you have to tell. What are the symptoms of the diseases? Suppose first disease is the night blindness. What is the first disease? Night blindness. Which are the symptoms? First one is the nearsightedness. What do you mean by nearsightedness? That person can see nearby object. That person is unable to see far away object, distinct object. Second thing is the blur vision. In the night blindness, blur vision. He can see nearby object clearly, but far away objects are looking blur. Again, cataract or cloudy eye lens. Cataract means, so whatever eye lens is there, outside cornea is there, and that layer is becoming thick, so images on that particular things are looking blurred. Cataract is there. Then inability to see, in some cases that person is becoming unable to see, and sometimes it will cause night blindness. That means during the night time they are unable to see. So first one is there night blindness, and in that symptoms we have to take. Symptoms. So what are 1, 1, 2 symptoms only we will take? Night blindness. So in case of the night blindness, nearsightedness. Second one, blur vision. Third one, can cause total blindness also in some cases. This one is there, A, B is there. Second disease there, that one is the rickets, R-I-C-K-E-T-S, ricket. So in the ricket, bones are becoming weak and soft. Second thing is their growth gets stunted. Third thing is their skeletal deformation takes place. So in some people, if ricket takes place, then their bones are becoming bent is coming in their bones get bent. So deformation, change in the shape of the bones. So which points are there in the rickets? So bones weak and soft. Bones are becoming weak and soft. Second thing is the stunted growth. That means reduced growth, growth gets stopped. And last one is the skeletal deformation. That means whatever skeletal system is there, shape is changing. Next thing is the disease is there, and that disease is there, what you can say, beriberi. So in that beriberi, what are the symptoms? So first one is the muscle functions decreases. So whatever body movement is there, that body movement is decreasing. Loss of feeling hands and legs. So that person is not feeling, he is having hands or legs. And mental confusion also takes place. Vomiting, involuntary eye movement. So first thing is there, in case of the beriberi, so muscles functions decreases. Second point is there, in case of the second point, loss of feeling of that particular hands and legs. Okay, that one. Next we'll take mental confusion. mental, that person is remaining confused. Then vomiting, then next one is there involuntary eye movement, so because of this also someone will get punishment. Involuntary eye movement. Paralysis also there, paralysis. Then D1 is there, next disease is there, and that one is there nutritis. So what about this disease? In the nutritis, in that, so decrease extreme sensation to touch, extreme sensation to touch, extreme sensation to touch. Second thing is there, in case of the lack of coordination and falling, lack of coordination and falling. So coordination is not there, coordination would not take place, because that person will fall. The next thing is the E disease is there. E, in that anemia is there, anemia. So this disease, in this disease loss of energy takes place, heartbeats are increasing, again stopping of the breathing, or in case of the problems in the breathing, headache is also there, and loss of concentration. So loss of energy. Second one is there, so problems in the breathing, problems in the breathing, headache is also there. Third one is there, loss of concentration, anemia. The next thing is the F1, this is the, in that scurvy is there, scurvy. What are the symptoms of scurvy? So in that scurvy, so what happens in case of the ulceration of the gums and loss of teeth? Ulceration of gums, sometimes gums are also bleeding. These gums, bleeding takes place, from the gums bleeding takes place. Then loss of teeth, a person will be unable to chew food. Next thing is the spontaneous bleeding, and spontaneous bleeding, you can say spontaneous bleeding. Fourth one is there, in case of the fourth one, swelling of the body parts, swelling of body parts. These are the symptoms of these near about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 diseases. So after this, next point is there, and that next point is the coenzymes. Next point is there, coenzymes. So what are the coenzymes? So one thing we have studied. So that particular pyruvic acid, in case of the glycolysis, pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl coenzyme A. So from that coenzymes we have to study what is meant by coenzymes, and after that some full forms we are going to learn. next point is the coenzymes. Coenzymes. So in case of the coenzymes, these are a non-protein compound and these are necessary for the functioning of enzymes. So these are related to the functions of enzymes, but these are non-proteinous. These are protein is not there. And it is a catalyst. It increases rate of the reaction, rate of the biochemical reaction. And enzymes are also always acts with, coenzymes are acting with enzymes. They are not acting alone. Coenzymes are used, can be used again and again. And coenzymes are vitamins, or these are obtained from the vitamins. And water soluble vitamins B and C lead to the formation of coenzymes. So some points are there related to the coenzymes. First one is their non-proteinous compound. These are non-proteinous compounds. These are non-proteinous compounds and necessary for functioning of enzymes. Second point is there, it is acting as a catalyst. Catalyst we have studied, it is not taking part in the chemical reaction but increases rate of the reaction. Acts as catalyst and increases rate of reaction. Third one, coenzymes cannot act alone but acts along with enzymes. Acts along with enzymes. Next one is there, coenzymes are vitamins or produced from the vitamins. Coenzymes are vitamins or obtained from vitamins. Fifth one is there, in case of the coenzymes, so water soluble vitamins are there. We have studied B and C, and these are leading to the formation of coenzyme. Vitamin B and C, these are water soluble, leads to form coenzymes. So these points are related to the coenzymes. An example you can tell coenzymes examples are there. These examples are, we have studied nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide, and acetyl coenzyme here. So you can nicotinamide, then adenine dinucleotide, adenine dinucleotide, NAD, you can say NAD, and coenzyme E, also coenzyme E. These are the examples of the coenzymes. So what are the coenzymes? Non-proteinous compound and necessary for the function of the enzymes. They are helping for the enzymes. Act as a catalyst, increase the rate of the biochemical reaction. Coenzymes cannot act alone but acts along with enzymes. Coenzymes are vitamins or obtained from the vitamins. Vitamin B and C, these are water soluble. They are helping to form the coenzymes. And the nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide, and the coenzyme A. These are the examples. And after this, we are going to learn about full forms of the some terms. Full forms. Full forms of different terms, and these terms are their full forms. Of terms. Which are the terms? In that, first one is the FAD. First one is the FAD. So flavin adenine dinucleotide. Flavin adenine dinucleotide. Second one is the FMN, flavin mononucleotide. FMN, flavin mononucleotide. Third one is there, and that one is the NAD. So NAD, nicotinamide. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Adenine dinucleotide. Fourth point is there, and that fourth point is that NADP. NADP. And what do you mean by NADP? Up to here same, last one is phosphate. Okay, so nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So it is NADP. So another thing, after this we are going to learn, next point we are going to learn, and that point is related to mitosis and meiosis, cell division, and that part we will study in the next video.